Alright, today we're going to take a look at Wizard's Wrath. It's a 25 shot, 200 gram cake. See, the fuse is already exposed, that's always nice. See, does it have a description? There we are. So we got color comments, scrambling effect, and glittering mines. Let's look at this. No more games. This is Wizard's. This wizard unleashes his wrath as 25 silver glittering mines fire into the night. The spell is cast as the mines break into scrambling comets of red, green, and purple. It's got a 90 feet shoot, so that's pretty decent. Supposed to have all the colors listed here. See the maker. I mean, it's got Asia Pyrotechnics, but I don't think that's the actual maker or manufacturer. But that's what we're going to have to go with. So we got a no-name Wizard's Wrath, 25 shots. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, we got the Wizard's Wrath, 25 shot. Cool. Wow.